Recipe for Cantonese fried rice inspired by LukFoo restaurant. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked jasmine rice, preferably a day old. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 2 eggs, beaten. 1/2 cup pork char siu Chinese BBQ pork, diced. 1/2 cup shrimp, peeled and deveined, optional. 1/4 cup carrots, finely diced. 1/4 cup green peas. 1/4 cup cabbage, shredded. 1/4 cup green onions, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. Salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Prepare ingredients. Use cold, day-old jasmine rice for best texture. Break up any clumps of rice with your fingers or a fork. Dice the pork char siu and vegetables, and shred the cabbage. 2. Scramble the eggs. Heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and pour in the beaten eggs. Stir gently to scramble until just set. Remove the eggs from the wok and set aside. 3. Cook the meat and vegetables. In the same wok, add the remaining tablespoon of oil. Saute the minced garlic until fragrant. Add the diced char siu and shrimp. If using to the wok, and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Toss in the carrots, peas and cabbage. Stir fry for another 2 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. 4. Fry the rice. Add the cold rice to the wok. Break it apart and stir fry everything together, ensuring the rice absorbs the flavors. Season the rice with soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix well to evenly distribute the seasonings. 5. Combine and finish. Return the scrambled eggs to the wok and add the chopped green onions. Stir fry for an additional minute to combine everything. 6. Serve hot. Transfer the fried rice to a serving plate and enjoy while warm. Tips: for additional flavor, add a splash of oyster sauce. Customize with other proteins like chicken, beef, or tofu. A hot wok is key for achieving the smoky wok hei flavor. This Cantonese fried rice delivers a perfect balance of savory flavors, tender char siu, and vibrant vegetables, closely resembling the dish served at LukFoo restaurant. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.